Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Happy weekend. So today in our Exploring Our Backyard series, we are here in Milledgeville, Georgia.
Yep.
And we are going to the Oconee River Greenway. So there's a sign back here. We got the kids loaded up and we are excited to go.
We got one of the fur babies here too. We got Ace, he's laying down. I don't know why he's doing that, but okay.
Good. Got the kids loaded up. Carson, can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. Everybody say good morning. Yay! All right, we're ready to go. Let's do this.
So as we're walking, we're noticing that it's a lot of, I guess, outdoor physical activities.
Training equipment.
Then I realized I forgot that the Georgia Military Academy is one block over. So I'm like, oh, okay. They probably do a lot of their training and PT here. So we're walking the back of their stomping grounds. But it's still pretty cool. Like it's actually a pretty good day. It's nice, breezy, sunny, but we're in a bunch of shade, so it's pretty good.
Is what they mean when they say swim at your own risk. Look at that undercurrent. Nope. So we are a little over 2 miles into this greenway.
Yep.
And it is beautiful. It's paved the whole way. They keep having these sections that peek out and see the river. There's currents behind us if you can hear it. I mean, it is spectacular. Totally worth the drive.
And the kids are tired, dog is tired. Now this has been definitely a good experience. I don't know how many more miles we got, maybe about 2 more miles left of the trail. We have a little bit of ways to go. This is the overlook part, so where you can see the river from a different viewpoint, but we have a couple more things that we want to sit there and show you.
And 2 hours later, we are wrapping up our session here at Oconee River Greenway in Milledgeville, Georgia. Babe, what'd you think?
Nah, it was good. It was actually very, very breezy here. We're up under a lot of trees, so it's not necessarily a bad walk, especially here. So like even, I feel like in probably like 90-degree weather, it'll still necessarily be cold, so, or cool, I should say. So it was a good time. A nice little adventurous walk to get your Saturday morning started. So if you're in the area, definitely drop by, walk the trails. You'll enjoy it.
Absolutely. And with that, we are going to let you enjoy the rest of your day, evening, night, morning, whenever you're watching this. Please hit that thumbs up if you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the link to subscribe. Somebody is clearly ready to go.
Yes.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.